Today I'm going to be unboxing my first pair of glasses that I received from a company called Firmoo. I never heard of them before, but they reached out to me by email asking me if I would like to try on a pair of their glasses. And I said, sure, why not? Let's give them a try. Let's see. Oh, it comes in this cute little box. Let's open it. I can't wait to see how they look like. You also get Firmoo gift card to give to friends and some other information back here on the glasses. He's in this cute little pouch with the company name Firmoo. Oh, also it says it's a cleaning cloth, which this is so good. You can clean your glasses with it. Oh, they're very lightweight, which that's a good thing. Look, they're brown. They're like brown and they have like a little leopard. Can't you tell? I love leopard. Look at that. So cute. Let's give them a try. Oh, they're awesome. Perfect for the summer. Look, even though the summer's almost over here in Canada, but they're so cute. Look, they clip on, like you can clip on easily and remove. And then you can wear them as regular glasses. If you need prescription, you can get prescription added to here, or if you don't need prescription, just wear them as fashion glasses. Oh, they're so cute. Let me clip them on. Oh, and they're also $41.80 Canadian price. Not sure what they are in the US price. They also come in black and blue, and you also get 50% off. Isn't that awesome? I'll leave all the information down. I'll leave the code that you can get 50% off. I'll leave the link that you can go into the site and check them all out. You also get 60-day return or exchange policy. Even you get 365 days of warranty. Isn't it great? Look, they are so cute. I think I'm going to go into the site and order myself some more glasses, but I need to get a prescription first. I'm going to enjoy these glasses. Let me know what you think. Or if you do end up getting a pair, don't forget, use the code to get 50% off. Bye.